Hi guys, it's a quick video showing you how to set up bulk shipping from any object using our multi-carrier app. So a couple of prerequisites is having the multi-carrier app pre-installed. We've also got demo mode enabled via our custom setting. We have a FedEx preference created here with our test FedEx preference, which you can grab from our documentation. And we have a custom address source set up. We're using the case object here. So we have all the fields mapped that are required for shipping. So recipient data, service type, date, packaging. You can see those in our docs. And make note of this ID here because we're going to use this ID in just a moment. So there's really three things to do to get this set up. It just takes a couple of minutes. The first is to create a new Visualforce page. So you're going to grab this code here, and we're going to create a new Visualforce page within our org. So if I go into Setup and search for Visualforce pages, you'll see that we already actually have one created for bulk shipment. So here's the code from the docs. There are just two very simple changes you need to make. The first is within the standard controller, you need to set the case. If you're using a different object, you'd set the object name there. Remember _C if it's a custom object. And then the second thing you need to do is set the ID of the custom address source. So you can grab this from the URL when you're viewing the custom address source up here, and you just need to set this within this CAS ID variable. The second thing you need to do is, if we go to Object Manager, we'll need to create a button. So if I go into Case and I go to Buttons, Links and Actions, you'll see that I've actually already created this bulk shipment list button. I can come in and edit this, and so I've called it bulk shipment. You could call it anything: mass shipment, ship orders, ship returns, or ship prospectuses if you're a university. And I've created it as a list button. Obviously need to display checkboxes because I need to check the cases that I'm going to be shipping to. And then lastly, obviously I choose Visualforce page, and the content is the Visualforce page that I just created called bulk shipment. So once this is saved, the last thing we need to do is add this to our list view layout. So if I come into my list view layout and click edit, you'll see that we've already moved this bulk shipment button into the selected buttons list. So once that's done, we're ready to ship. So if I come into here and view cases, and I'm going to view my cases, and I'm just going to choose a couple of cases here for shipping. So let's choose 4, and I can see that my bulk shipment list view button is available here, so I can click bulk shipment. And what happens very quickly is some validation takes place. If there are any errors, you would have seen them here, but there isn't. So it basically means that we're ready to run and create these shipments in bulk. So once I hit run, every 5 seconds or so the status is going to update. So we'll see that the first case has been shipped, and now very quickly 4 of 4 have been shipped. So if I hit view result, it's going to take me to the bulk shipment page, or I can view my individual shipments. So here's my bulk shipment record. If I click on related lists, you'll see that I've got my 4 shipments that have been created with my tracking numbers. If I click on the top one, you can see it's related to case 1002. And if I click on the related list, I'm going to be able to view my my shipping label with my tracking information as well. So that's it. Very simple. Great way to ship lots and lots of or create lots and lots of shipments at the same time to any object in Salesforce. But if you have any questions, go onto our website and chat with us. Thanks very much.